I purchased more flower seeds than I needed this year. What is the best way to store flower seeds for next year? Thanks, and this is Carolyn. Don't you have a lot of seeds, right? You have to carry them from year to year, don't you?
Sometimes I just carry them around for fun.
Sometimes you just do, right?
Yeah. Cool and dry.
Cool and dry, right? And I always like to tell folks where you store them, how you store them, label them. Yeah. Make sure they're labeled. Like you have there. Yeah. Make sure they're labeled, and I think you'd be fine. So, is there anything else you think they need to know besides cool and dry?
I mean, when we say dry, I think that if you, like, this is not a good example because these are paper, but there are many seeds that come in a metallic or a foil lined package. And so I would say if you have those, don't open them, right? Leave them sealed because that will have much lower humidity and it'll make it easier to store. Sometimes we get questions about refrigerator or freezer, those types of questions. And so for short term, cool in a refrigerator would be, fine.
So that's fine for the short term.
Yeah, I mean, for people who really want to store seeds for a very long period of time. And we just want to make sure that when we're putting them in a cool or a very cold place, that they're not too moist because that could cause more damage.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.